Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your CMS list has lots of items, so basically you should try to keep your site clean and fast. So in today's small tutorial, I make sure to show you how to add pagination in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, open the website by going looking for Webflow in your favorite browser, then tap on the website, log in using your email address and password. After this, we're gonna go all the way and check the collection list since Pagination only works with collection lists. So after going through the collection list settings, click on the settings icon, then enable it. So we have this blog post here on CMS, we have this export, import, new blog post. Let's go back to design. You can also access this div block. You can go back to style, positioning, effects, and all of this. Variables, components, style, assets, libraries, and apps. Let's go back to pages here. E-commerce pages, utility pages, product template, categories template, CMS collection pages. So let's go back. Okay, we have this edit page settings, access control, general, publish settings, on SEO settings, title, open graph image, search title, custom code, all of these options. Basically, if you change anything, make sure you tap on save before even going out of it. You can also basically view all pages in this collection, then go back to the settings. So now set the items per page, choose how many items appear on each page, then customize the pagination buttons. Edit the next and previous buttons, style the pagination, adjust spacing, fonts, and colors, then preview and publish. Make sure it works smoothly, and that's the main idea here. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.